Dear viewers, in today's video we're going to show you the top 5 best portable workbenches to buy this year. Let's begin. KETER Portable Workbench. Number 1 on our list is the KETER Portable Folding Workbench. This portable workbench simplifies your home improvement process and is designed for DIY projects, home improvement, table saws, and even your worksite. The dimensions are 33.5 inches by 21.7 inches by 29.7 inches, and the slim, foldable table is designed to be stored easily and fit into your workspace seamlessly. The carrying handle makes it ultra-portable. Made of heavy-duty resin and aluminum legs, this workspace will let you begin with your typical birdhouses and graduate to even bigger and heavier projects. The weather-resistant polypropylene construction prevents rusting, peeling, and denting, making this workbench a garage staple that's designed to stay. WORX WX051 Portable Workbench. At number 2, we have the WORX WX051 Portable Workbench. This portable work table from WORX is easy to set up and use. Made from a combination of plastic and metal, this table is lightweight but has a good weight capacity. The table has a compact folding design, so it's easy to store and carry when not in use. It also has an integrated clamping system with two 12-inch quick clamps, making it easier to hold your project securely while you work. The table surface has a dimension of 31 by 25 inches, providing ample space for various projects. It also has a built-in measuring guide, eliminating the need for a tape measure. Overall, the WORX WX051 Portable Workbench is a versatile and functional option for a portable workstation, suitable for a range of DIY projects at home or on the go. Performance Tool W54025 Portable Workbench. At number 3, we have the Performance Tool W54025 Portable Workbench. This is a compact and lightweight workbench with a maximum load capacity of 200 pounds. It's equipped with a one-handed clamp system that allows for independent jaw adjustment. The jaws can also be angled to accommodate uniquely shaped materials, adding versatility to your projects. With a folding design, this workbench offers easy storage and mobility, making it suitable for use on various work sites. The tabletop is printed with a grid, ruler, and protractor for added convenience while working. With overall dimensions of approximately 23.8 by 25 by 31 inches and weighing around 8.9 pounds, this portable workbench is both practical and lightweight, ideal for completing small projects and repairs around the house. BLACK+DECKER BDSD 11000 Portable Workbench. Made from a heavy-gauge steel frame with a large bamboo work surface, this portable workbench combines strength with a practical size and a sleek finished base to work tirelessly for you, holding up to 550 pounds in weight. Its steel frame ensures it will last and perform any tasks you require, while the bamboo top provides a smooth finish to sand, saw, and prep, or stands up to greasy parts and heavy pounding for all sorts of work. At just 4.1 pounds, with dimensions just 13.4 inch x 6.11 inch x 0.75 inch, this portable workbench folds up easily to take with you or store. With adjustable swivel pegs, this workbench is perfect for clamping, painting, cutting, and craft work, while the perfect size will enable you to pack it up, take it with you, and always get your work done. ERGOMASTER Portable Workbench. At number 5, we have the ERGOMASTER 40-inch Portable Workbench. This heavy-duty aluminum folding work platform has a weight capacity of 330 pounds, making it highly sturdy and safe to use. Ideal for a multitude of heights in various places, this workbench is suitable for changing bulbs, washing windows, and painting walls. With a collapsible construction and a lightweight build, this portable workbench is easy to carry and convenient to store. The open dimensions are 49.5 by 21 by 19.5 inches, and the folding dimensions are 15 by 8 by 39 inches. Overall, the ERGOMASTER 40-inch portable workbench is a reliable and durable option that offers practicality and versatility in various settings. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 5 best portable workbenches to buy will help you find your best fit.